Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dubber Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have a little Polo 5-door in flash red. So a really clean and presentable car. Got a really good spec on this one as well. So it's also only ever been to main dealers. It was supplied by a main dealer, serviced and MOT'd by them. Then the first owner part exchanged it in, and the same garage and sold it to another local owner who then still took the car to him. So it's been maintained by them all the time. Really, really clean, presentable car, nice and straight. Couple of stone chips on the bonnet, but no major dents, scuffs, scrapes. We've already put it through the workshop. I think it had a flexi pipe on the exhaust. Bumpers all nice and straight. It's the Blue Motion tech, so it's £30, or unless it's just gone up to £35 in April. It's got the false floor, and then you'll have the spare wheel toolkit, original factory code there. There's 2 keys with the car as well. We'll put the last date of the service, but it's been serviced quite recently, so it's not due a service. Again, all clean and tidy down there. Back's all good as well. It's 5-door as well, which makes it a bit more practical. So as I say, we'll put the full spec of the car on the advert, but it's got the full electric windows. A lot of them only have the front 2. Electric mirrors, multifunction steering wheel, DAB radio, phone prep, Bluetooth, etc. Again, all clean and tidy there. Mileage at the moment has just turned 92,000. And there's 2 keys there, as you can see. As with all our cars, the HPI motor check clear with report. They all have 12 months MOT, and they're all supplied with a parts and labour warranty. Can offer part exchange as well. We do take most things. As with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment only. So if you'd like to arrange a test drive or a viewing, give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.